Hi team, and welcome to today's helpful tip. There's a lot of talk about using Copilot inside of the Microsoft applications. However, you may find with your particular license, particularly if it's enterprise and or business, you do have the ability to use Copilot in a protected state through Edge without buying the license. So if you haven't been into Edge before and invoked your Copilot, just simply go to the copilot.microsoft.com site, and you may find it'll ask you to sign in, which I've already done so. And what you will notice is that it is what they say protected on the right-hand side. So this means that any data I put in this is not going to be distributed back out to ChatGPT. So what I want to do is create an image of an Easter bunny on a bridge. All right. So one of the advantages of using Copilot is that I actually don't have to go out to any of the other apps that ChatGPT might suggest you do have to go to create an image. And when I first did this, I was looking at that and going, well, I didn't do very well on that. But at the present moment, you can see they're creating the image for me. And when I did this the other day, I was really impressed with what it actually came up. So it's actually different images this time. Interesting that one's broken, but I've got a couple of cute little images. So for me to use this into Microsoft Word, I'm going to point at that image. I'm going to right mouse button on it, and I'm going to say Save Image As. And I'm going to drop it down into my downloads, and I'm going to call it Bunny, or Easter Bunny, if you like, Easter Bunny. Don't you love how I do it live and people seeing it from there? So Easter Bunny is now being designed. So now what I want to do is drop back over into Microsoft Word. 7 years ago, I did a video on how to write a thank you note. So you can always go back and get a lot more detail with this. But let's show you how to design this Easter Bunny, Easter hunt invitation that we're doing for our family. So the first thing I'm going to do is come up here, and under print, I'm going to change it from PDF over to my printer. The reason I'm doing this is because if I leave it as PDF, when I go to layout, you'll find that when I look at the size, it won't give me things like A5, etc. So I'm going to choose A5, which automatically makes this piece of paper an A5 size. I'm just going to change the margins. I'm going to make them narrow, and to put my Easter Bunny in here, I am going to go up and insert a table. So straight away, I'm going to do 1 column wide by 2 rows, so that now what I can do is put my bunny at the top and then put my details down below here. So I just find a table makes it really easy to structure the picture. So to insert the picture, I'm going to go to Insert, come down to Picture, and I'm finding it from this device, because remembering that I saved it down into Downloads. And here's my Easter Bunny. So I'm going to drop this in, and now you'll find I've got this cute little bunny, and I'm literally going to make that bunny sit in the center of that table. And let me get rid of the border, because I don't need that border when I go to print this out. So underneath Table Design, I'm just changing it over to no border. And then down here on that second row, I'm just going to press my Enter key and now type my invitation. Nice, easy way to set this up. So let me just put in here invitation. And then what I would do is do a file, and I would do a print and change this back to a PDF, so that I can embed this in my emails and send it off to the various friends I've got. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how you can use Copilot inside of Edge. And I'm going to do some more videos on that, because I just think that everyone's talking about it inside the applications. But the best way to learn Copilot or AI is to do it. And let's see how you can do it without spending a lot of money on it to start with. So thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.